What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Hollow Knight on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now if you buy games at Steam it can be really expensive, but don't worry, we got a workaround for that. What you need to do is open the Google browser, and after that we need to locate this game first on Steam, and then we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and we need to search up the game before we can proceed to download it on another website. So go to the Steam and then search for the game Hollow Knight, then select it. After that scroll a little bit down and you will find the game for €14.79. But don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is open the video description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this webpage. Now what we need to do is search for the same game Hollow Knight, and after that we need to select games on the left side, then sort by price lowest first, and once you scroll a little bit down you will find a PC version which can be activated in your country, so this text needs to be marked green, and then you can select it. After that you will find out that this game is just €7.84 compared to the €14.79. And this is how you save yourself a bit of money while downloading save games online. Now once you have purchased this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam, so you can legitimately download this game on your PC through Steam, or you will receive a new legit account for Steam to download this game. After that you are able to play this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!